Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the receiver on your laptop, because Windows must advertise itself for casting. Open Settings, go to System, then Projecting to this PC, choose Discoverable Settings and require PIN if desired. Once done, make sure your laptop and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Miracast often needs local network connectivity. Now on your phone, open the Cast or Screen Mirroring control. You should see the laptop name appear. Tap it to start the connection handshake. After initiating Cast from the phone, you will need to accept the incoming connection on the laptop, so the secure link completes. Once connected, use Windows key plus P or Settings System Display to pick Duplicate, Extend, or Second Screen, only depending on whether you want the same image or extra workspace. Make sure to check resolution and scaling. Phones often use different DPI, so change resolution or scale so text and UI fit. If audio routes incorrectly, set the playback device. To finish, stop casting from your phone or click Disconnect on the laptop. That ensures the session closes cleanly. If the image lags or drops, make sure both devices use the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, move closer to the router, and close bandwidth-heavy apps. As a troubleshooting tip, update your wireless and display drivers and reboot both devices if the laptop never appears. Outdated drivers are the most common reason Miracast discovery fails, and restarting clears stuck network states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.